Policemen accused of having a sexual relationship with a minor granted $350,000 bail. Hi again and welcome. This is Links Below 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. A 36-year-old constable accused of having sex with a minor was today granted $350,000 bail when he appeared before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. The court imposed stringent conditions on Jerome Solomon, who is charged with the offense of having sexual intercourse with a person under the age of 16. He was ordered to return to court on January 30 next year, at which a committal hearing will be held. It's been alleged that the complainant and the policeman became intimate after a 2-year period. It is further alleged that they became familiar as the girl would accompany her elder sister to the police station where the cop was assigned. The sister reported to the station as part of a condition of her bail. The matter was reported to authorities, and following a ruling earlier this month by the Office of Director of Public Prosecution, the policeman was charged. The police band is being represented by Queen's Counsel Peter Champagny. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.